Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add comment on Google Docs and slides. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add comment on Google Docs and slides, go to your Google Docs and select your content. I am selecting my title and then right click on the selected content, and here you will find an option comment. Click on comment. Here you will type your comment. I'm going to type my comment. I already typed my comment in selected box. Now click on comment. Look, the comment is added here. Now deselect the content, and if you click on the content, the comment will appear and you can mark as resolve or hide discussion. Here just click here, the discussion has been hide. Now comment is not appearing. In this way you can add comment to Google Docs and slides also. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.